Dinos from A to Z. Classification. We are learning about dinos from A to Z. Let's see what today's lesson will be. Today's lesson is about classification. There are lots of different kinds of dinosaurs. Did you know that we can classify them? Because we can. Just so you know, the word classify means to put things in order, which is exactly what scientists have done with dinos. Why do we classify things? We do it to understand how they are connected. Classifying helps us spot similarities and differences more easily, and we can find what we need faster. Have you ever played with Legos before? Lego bricks come in different colors, shapes, and sizes. You can classify your bricks by shape or color to make them easier to work with. That is what we are going to do today with dinosaurs. Here is a list of dinosaur classifications and their descriptions. We will read the chart out loud and then ask you to try to classify some types of dinos. Let's get into it. Ankylosaurs, armored dinosaurs. Ceratopsians, horned dinosaurs. Feathered dinosaurs, small feathered theropods. Hadrosaurs, duck-billed dinosaurs. Ornithomimids, bird-mimic omnivore dinosaurs. Ornithopods, small plant-eating three-toe dinosaurs. Pachycephalosaurs, thick bone-skulled dinosaurs. Prosauropods, small to medium plant-eating dinosaurs. Raptors, feared carnivores. Sauropods, large herbivores. Stegosaurs, spiked dinosaurs. Theropods, carnivorous dinosaurs. Titanosaurs, the most giant plant-eating dinosaurs. Therizinosaurs, odd look, primarily omnivores. Tyrannosaurs, powerful carnivores. Can you see why scientists decided to classify dinosaurs? When dinos were first discovered, they were called terrible lizards and seen as large and fearsome creatures. But then, scientists realized that there were all different kinds of dinosaurs, with different shapes, sizes, and diets. It didn't make sense to keep all those dinos in one group. So scientists decided to categorize dinosaurs by their unique traits. Now that we know more about dino classification and have gone through the list, we are going to test your knowledge. Let's start with this one. Do you know what kind of a dinosaur this is? It is a Stegosaurus. What classification do you think it belongs to? If you guessed stegosaurs, you are correct. Let's try another dino. How about a Brontosaurus? Let's think about it together. Brontosauruses are pretty huge, and they eat plants. What do you think? That's right. A Brontosaurus is a sauropod, because it is a large herbivore. Let's look at a Triceratops. Which classification works for that dino? It is Ceratopsian. Great work, Dino Dynamos! Thanks for learning with us. If you like this video, head over to learnbright.org to download our Types of Dinosaurs lesson plan and stay tuned for more dinos.
Hope you had fun learning with us. Visit us at learnbright.org for thousands of free resources and turnkey solutions for teachers and homeschoolers.